So let's look at the first scenario. Grace Pharmacy has one central location where their invoices are sent to, but they have multiple locations for pickup and drop off. We want to keep all that information in one profile since we will be invoicing that customer for all their different locations at one place. Let's get started. We've searched for Grace Pharmacy and we will now select their customer information page. I can also click Add Customer if this is a new customer. With Grace Pharmacy, we will want to put in their billing address in their customer information page. If they had a factoring company, we could select that as well, but Grace Pharmacy does not, so a factoring company will not apply. Next, we want to add in their stops. To do this, we'll see right up here, we have a stop tab where we would be able to see a list of the stops that they have on file already. To add a new stop, you would simply click Add Stop. Here, we let the system know whether it is a pickup or drop-off location. We will put in the stop name. So Perry Place location, or perhaps we would prefer to say Grace Pharmacy at Terry Hill. You could also put in the store number or lot location as well. Whatever you want to appear on the dispatch reports for the location's name. Next, you will go ahead and put in the shipping address, 45 Once complete, you'll be able to select Save. Keep in mind that our system does allow you to put instructions and additional directions as needed. Continue this process until you've added all of the stops, letting your system know whether or not it is a pickup or drop off location. We'll use this one for demonstration purposes. Let's look at what the stop will look like when creating a load. Here, I'm going to start off with a new load. I will put our customer as Grace Pharmacy. Perfect. Now, we will also be picking up at Grace Pharmacy. So you'll see here that now I have two options, regular Grace Pharmacy and my specific stop, which was Grace Pharmacy at Terry Hill. I select Grace Pharmacy at Terry Hill and all my information populates. So as you notice, these stops will act just like any other pickup and delivery location. Now, let's look at another scenario. If you have Grace Pharmacy who has just expanded to a new location in Detroit, your customer would like to have their billing separated based upon their different primary offices. Grace Pharmacy in Florida and Grace Pharmacy in Detroit. Because they will have two separate billing addresses, I do not want to put in additional stops. Instead, what I would do is I would create a separate customer profile for that Grace Pharmacy location in Detroit. I may put in the company name as something like Grace Pharmacy Detroit so that I can distinguish it from Grace Pharmacy. But if I want to put Grace Pharmacy as the company name and leave it there, I can do that as well. So let's do this here. Grace Pharmacy is going to be at 65 North Avenue in Detroit. We will go ahead and put in their phone number and contact information for demonstration purposes. And click Save. What's great about the system is it does let you know if you forget to do an important step. Now, Grace Pharmacy is saved. This one, as we can see, is in Detroit, and then we have our other office in Florida. When I go into my all loads, I can easily distinguish the different Grace pharmacies when putting in the customer because the drop-down menu will also show me the address. So I can keep the same company name. I would have to pay a little bit more attention though when selecting for bill to. Here I can easily see which Grace Pharmacy is for Detroit. And now I am creating a load which will be billed to Grace Pharmacy's new office in Detroit. So, to review, you have multiple ways of keeping track of your customers with different addresses. You want to create a new customer profile for each billing address that the customer wishes to use for their different offices. But you will want to add stops that will be billed to that address within that customer information profile by clicking Add Stops and reviewing your stops in the stop section here.